I just love dancing and I love sharing my passion for hip hop and the culture with others, and I love teaching also the history.
So this will be a class in hip hop movement. I do breaking and I do popping, so it will be kind of foundational.
I love just like watching them get something that they thought was hard and then they succeed and get it. The nice thing is that it gives these students, even if they don't go on to dance, it gives them a knowledge of the dance and then they appreciate it. So the more that we build an appreciation with people for the skill that it takes to do these different hip hop dances, then the more respect that you have, right? And so one day when there's a hip hop show, they're gonna attend it maybe just because they took this workshop and they're like, oh yeah, I took a breaking class before.
My name is Jessica Dare and I am Artistic Director of Chicago Dance Crash. We're doing 2 different acts. The first act is a world premiere, a brand new piece choreographed by Amirah Sackett. Our second act is 3 of the rep pieces that Crash has been performing throughout the year. We're actually down to the wire here, so we just have our final dress rehearsal this afternoon, and then when that's done we'll do notes, tech notes, costume notes, lighting notes, all that good stuff. So we've been in the theater all week setting lights, doing spacing, so today's kind of the final act as though it's the real performance kind of day.
So about a year ago, I started working on the concept for Nafs, and I started reading a lot of books about Sufism. But I read about that, I was reading Rumi poetry, I've already created work around Rumi's poetry. And so I decided to continue in this vein to create work through this Islamic lens on philosophy.
Who looks out with my eyes? Yeah. What is the source? I cannot stop asking. Who looks out with my eyes? Take me home.
Al-Nafs means in Arabic, which is the devotional language of Islam, it means the self or the ego. And this piece is about the struggle of every human so that we can attain a state of peace within ourselves. And this is a basic concept in Islam and many religions. So it's very a universal theme of like bettering one's character. And so that's what it's about, and I'm just representing the human struggle, which has been going on and on and on and on.